Hi guys, and it is day 43 and today we're going to be using the board jar because we haven't used it in a while. So here it is. Okay, so here it is, and yeah, let's do a look at it. And it says make your own lunch. Well, I've never done that before, so I'll ask my mum if I can do that. So I won't be 2 minutes. Guess what, guys? I was told off by my mum. She said I can't do it. She shouted at me, even though I was just asking the questions. So we're gonna have to ask and do something else from the board jar. Gotcha! So let's do this. Guys, what do you think of my chef skills and my pizza? Bon appetit. Anyways, if you like this video and the pizza, subscribe and press the like button. Till next time, guys. Peace out.